Good morning everyone. Today title is Dewatering and Pumping Equipment. Myself Dr. J. Sagairuban, Department of Civil Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. So what is dewatering equipment? Dewatering equipment are used to perform dewatering on the construction site, which is defined as a process of separating water from another material like saturated soil or sludge. The separation of water is performed by using a force generated by the vacuum or centrifugal motion. Dewatering equipment saves money by reducing solid handling and disposal expenses. It is an alternative and economical option compared with the heat drying system for the water removal. The selection of dewatering equipment depends on the corrosion potential of the material removed and the contaminant present in the liquid. As the reactivity of liquid increases, the equipment is constructed with more durable material. Type of dewatering equipment. First one is centrifuges, drying beds, vacuum filter process, sludge logan, gravity and low pressure device. So centrifuges remove solid from liquid through the process of sedimentation and centrifugal force. The solid or sludge are fed through the stationary feed tube. The sludge moves with an acceleration through the ports in the conveyor shaft, which is then distributed to the periphery of the bowl. So this is a centrifuge arrangement. Next is a vacuum filter. The main aim of the technique is to extract extra water from the concrete surface using vacuum dewatering. This is one of the important methodology to extract the water from the concrete surface. As a result of dewatering, there is a marked reduction in effective water cement ratio and the performance of concrete improves drastically. The improvement is more on the surface where it is required the most. Mainly, 4 components are required in a vacuum dewatering of concrete. One is a vacuum pump. So this is a vacuum pump. Next is a water separator. So water separator is available to take a water from the concrete. Next is a filtering pad. So filtering pad is available to filter. Next is a screen board vibrator. So screen board vibrator is also available. This is the component of vacuum filter. This is mainly applicable for dewatering of any concrete construction. Next we can see other equipment. There is a filter process. This equipment uses a filter medium to separate a solid from the liquid. A filter press captures the solid in the pores between 2 or more porous plates. The solid capture are then pushed into the cavities by forcing water over them either through plate pressure or by build-up solid pressure. So this is the equipment. So inlet. So these are the arrangement for a filter process. It will be filter and come out in a liquid form. Next is a drying bed. It consists of a perforated open joint drainage pipe placed within the layer of the gravel base. So this is a drainage pipe. It will be available in the gravel base, which is again covered with a layer of sand. The sludge collected in the place of placed over this sand layer and allowed to dry. The water from the sludge is removed by evaporation and by gravity movement underlying the gravel base. This water is taken out in the drainage pipe placed in the gravel base. So water is filtered out leaving and dried into this and it will be go into a gravel base and it will be disposed. So this is about a drying bed. Next is the sludge logan. So the sludge logan are excavated area that are used to deposit and dry the sludge for several months to a year. The depth of the sludge logans can be vary from 2 to 6 feet. See, this is the raw sludge. Then sludge is settled, water is removed. Then we have to take a dry sludge from. So from that outlet, that water will be taken out. So then we will get a dried sludge. So this is all about a sludge logan. Thank you so much for watching.